Now that we have created our first button code, I'm going to go back to my main scene, and you'll see that we're going to basically repeat the exact same process at frame 50 so that we can have another box come up that says, hey, you've made it to the right location. So at frame 50, we're going to insert a keyframe, and then we're going to create some new graphics here. So I might even create a little bit larger box. And I'm going to go back to my library and find this play button. I'm going to drag it out because I'm going to use the exact same looking button. Now this is another instance of the original symbol, and you can see that's what that symbol looks like. If I go back to properties, you'll see it does not have an instance name because it's not the exact same symbol as the other one. It's an instance of the symbol. But in this particular box, what we're going to do is put in our message that says you made it, and we can also include an image. So you might want to go online and find the image that you want. And if I go to the website, this is DuPont or this is Chimney Rock. I can go to images, and here are some photos, and you recognize some of these, of course. Let's find one like this, which is really beautiful. I'll click on that image, and that's a typical image from this particular site. Now, what's important is that you make the picture that you're going to bring into Flash the exact size you need it. So I'm going to right-click on this image, copy the image. I'm going to go to an application that allows me to edit images quickly, and I like this one called XNView, and you've seen it before. You can use Photoshop, and it's not a problem at all. So I'm going to go to XNView and do Edit, Paste, actually Import Clipboard. There we go, and get that image. Now I'm going to copy. Let's see. I'm going to use my cropping tools here and cut it down. So this is 286 by 353. Maybe I can make that image smaller. Go to Image, Resize. Let's say it's only going to be 250 pixels. 309 is not a great number, so I'm going to see if I can adjust this to make it just 300. And the nice thing I like about this particular box is that I can do that. So here's 250 by 300. All I have to do is click on crop, and now I have 250 by 299. Oh, I was so close. I'm going to undo that and see if I can get it just right. $250 by 300. So now it's exactly the size I wanted. Now it's best for us to save this image in the same folder with our Flash file. And this will be my photo, my chimney rock. And then go to Flash and import that image. Import to stage, and we'll find that image that I have there. Click on Open, and you'll see that it's come in. Now, I didn't really calculate the right size. So here's one of the cool things that I really love about working with external images. So I'm going to go back to XNView, change this image size. Maybe it's just 150 by 180. Let's do Save. So it's going to save over that particular image, and I do want to replace it. Then back in Flash, I can go to the library. I can right-click on that particular image and choose Update. Update. And now you'll see that the original, the size of the new image is in here. So that's how I can get this image in here. Now, let's go ahead and add other information to our particular graphic here. You can add a title that says, great, you made it. And you can also add text to this button that says restart instead of play. And then we're going to add a little bit of code that's different. Different than we did before. And of course, save your work as well.